Akala ng iba ang design fee ay dagdag gastos lang. Pero in reality, ito ang pinaka-cheap na protection mo sa multi-million project mo. Let's say magpatayo ka ng 20 million commercial building. Most people focus on mas makatipid sa contractor, mas mababa ang professional fee, mas mabilis simulan. Pero here's what they forget. One wrong layout decision, one wrong circulation, one wrong tenant mix, one compliance issue can cost you millions over the next 10 to 15 years. Ang design fee hindi bayad sa drawing. Bayad siya sa risk analysis, income optimization, demand study, planning logic, long-term sustainability. Because once you pour concrete, you can control Z a building. Mas mahal ang mali, mas mahal ang renovation, mas mahal ang low occupancy, at mas mahal ang building na hindi aligned sa market. As an architect, my job is not just to design something maganda. My job is to protect your investment before it's built. If you're planning to build this year, don't just ask magkano ang design fee. Ask instead magkano ang pwede kong kitain sa project